Did you know your brain has a built-in cleaning crew? I'm not joking. Inside your head, every single night, a hidden team goes to work, washing away waste, toxins, and cluttered thoughts that pile up during the day. It's called the glymphatic system. And here's the catch. This cleaning process only works when you're asleep, and only if you give your brain the right conditions. It's like having a janitor who shows up, mop in hand, but waits for your signal. If you don't send the right signal, the mess stays, the toxins linger, and over time, that buildup starts stealing your clarity, your memory, your peace of mind. But here's the beautiful part. With just a few simple evening habits, the kind older adults like us can master with grace. You can switch on that cleansing system every single night. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 gentle, doctor-backed night routines that help your brain detox, reset, and stay sharp well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. Why this matters more as you age. As we grow older, a lot changes. Our bodies, our rhythms, our sleep patterns. Maybe you've noticed you don't sleep as deeply as you once did. Or maybe you wake up feeling like your brain never quite powered down. You're not alone. Science shows that the aging brain becomes more vulnerable to toxins and less efficient at clearing them out. But here's the good news. It's not just about age. It's about habits. It's about rhythm. The brain isn't looking for perfection. It's looking for consistency, for stillness, for a little support from you. When you create the right environment at night, your brain knows what to do. It was designed to heal, to reset, to prepare you for a new day. And tonight, I'm going to help you remember how to give it that chance. Redefining routine. Let me say this. I don't love the word routine. It sounds cold, robotic, like a checklist. But what if we thought of it differently? What if we called it a ritual? Something sacred, something nourishing. Like the way our grandparents used to end the day. Quiet, calm, screen-free. A cup of tea, a dimmed light, a prayer. These were more than habits. They were signals. Signals to the body and mind. The day is done. You're safe now. It's time to rest. Tonight, I want to guide you back to that. A nighttime ritual that isn't just restful, it's healing. And your brain, it will thank you for it. The 5 nighttime rituals. 1. Dim the lights. Invite the darkness. About an hour before bed, start dimming the lights in your home. Soft lamplight. No overhead glare. No bright screens. This tiny change triggers your brain to produce melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Think of melatonin as your internal lullaby. Without it, sleep stays shallow, scattered, and without deep sleep, your brain's cleansing crew doesn't show up. Take Jen, a 71-year-old woman who used to fall asleep to late-night television. She thought it helped her relax. But every morning, she woke up foggy, no matter how long she slept. When her doctor suggested cutting screen time before bed, she was skeptical. But 2 weeks of reading by soft light instead of scrolling, and her mornings became clearer, her mind less cloudy. It wasn't magic, it was melatonin doing its job. So tonight, lower the lights, let the shadows grow. Think of it as drawing the curtains around your brain's theater, getting ready for the main event, deep, healing sleep. Sip warmth, not caffeine. We all know hydration is good for the body, but did you know it's essential for brain detox too? Your glymphatic system, that brain cleaning crew, needs fluid to do its job. Without enough hydration, it's like trying to rinse dishes without running water. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't want to be up all night using the bathroom. That's fair, but this isn't about drinking a jug of water. It's about sipping just 4 to 6 ounces of warm water or herbal tea about 45 minutes before bed. Warmth matters. It relaxes the nervous system, opens blood vessels, and gently signals the brain, it's safe now, you can rest. Richard, 79, used to wake up with dry mouth and mental fog. Just a small cup of chamomile tea each night, and he noticed the difference. His sleep deepened, his thoughts sharpened, and he finally felt hydrated without the midnight wake-ups. Choose chamomile, lemon balm, or peppermint, or just plain warm water. The key is consistency and kindness. Lemon tea. Your mind onto paper. Here's one of the most powerful tools you'll ever use. $1 notebook and 5 minutes of honesty. Before bed, sit down and write. Nothing fancy. No essays. Just what's on your mind. What worried you today? What are you grateful for? What do you need to remember tomorrow? This simple act quiets your brain. It tells your nervous system, we've taken care of it. You can rest now. Doris, 76, struggled with racing thoughts at bedtime. Her granddaughter gave her a journal. At first she felt silly, but she wrote 5 minutes. And then something shifted. Her sleep came easier. Her mind stopped spinning. Her mornings felt lighter. Journaling is a kind of mental decluttering. A way of clearing the desk before the janitor comes in, and your brain, it notices the difference. Please analyze the entire script above and write a step-by-step script for 30 related images so that I can create the image. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even weekends. I know that's not always easy, but the body craves rhythm, and your brain especially depends on it. When your schedule is unpredictable, your sleep becomes shallow. You miss the deep stages, the ones where memory is restored and toxins are flushed out. Paul, 82, used to drift off at random hours. But when he committed to a 10 p.m. bedtime and a 6:30 a.m. wake up, everything changed. He felt more alert, less groggy, more alive. Consistency isn't boring, it's powerful. It's how you train your brain to heal. Unplug, unwind, come back to you. Screens are not neutral. The blue light keeps your brain alert, the content keeps your heart racing. News, drama, scrolling, none of it tells your body it's time to relax. So make a boundary, no screens 1 hour before bed. Instead, do something quiet. Read a book, do a puzzle, sit in silence, pray. Susan, 76-year-old retired nurse, gave up her nightly crime shows and switched to quiet music and stretches. Within a week, she felt sharper, calmer, more rested. We didn't grow up with screens, and we don't need them now to end our day. Go back to stillness. Your brain remembers how. Brain science simplified. Here's what all of this is about. During deep sleep, your brain releases a wave of fluid, like a tide, that washes through the cells, carrying away waste, proteins, toxins, the stuff that causes brain fog and memory loss if it sticks around too long. That wave doesn't happen during light sleep. It doesn't happen when your mind is racing or your body is dehydrated. It happens when you're deeply, peacefully asleep, and these routines, they prepare the shore for that tide to roll in. Engagement, reflection. So I want to hear from you. Which one of these routines spoke to you? Which will you try tonight? Comment below with a number 1 through 5 and share your thoughts. Your stories matter here. You never know who you might inspire by simply sharing your truth. If you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It helps us reach more people who need this kind of gentle support and wisdom. You are not just sleeping, you are restoring. Every night your brain gets another chance to heal, to let go of what no longer serves you. This is not about being perfect. It's about being present, about ending your day with care, not chaos, with rhythm, not randomness. You've earned the right to rest well, to feel clear, to age with strength and dignity. And it begins tonight with one gentle ritual that tells your brain, you are safe, you are seen, you are ready to heal. Soft call to action. If this message touched you, share it with someone you care about. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and come back for the next video, where I will explore the morning routine that keeps seniors energized and mentally sharp all day. Until then, sleep well, dear friend. Your brain will thank you. Please analyze the entire script above and write a step-by-step script for 30 related images so that I can create the image.